And the idea of the VXP Hub is to have our 4 products, DAM, VisualAI, Portals, and DMO into one single web application. So you're going to see here something you're familiar with, which is the DAM. You have Portals. This is something that has been here for a few months now as well, but they're here to new tabs, VisualAI and DMO, where customers can go ahead and try out some of our AI models for enrichment, moderation, or transformation of assets. So here they can select from a series of available assets or pick from their DAM to apply some of the enrichment capabilities. And then have here 2 ways of using it. Either they see the results, and this is the marketer kind of use case. And then for developers, they'll be able here to go ahead and copy the curls and start using this directly with the key. For example, here to sports classification, but it works the same for OCR, for example, or any other model that you see here. So for DMO, we have as well a completely new here page with an introduction to dynamic media optimization, where here users can go ahead and play around with some of the examples that we have provided and generate the URLs here. So this is basically the cloud image admin, which has been ported to the VXP Hub with here again a few images that can be selected. The URL can be added, and we'll be soon here be adding the ability to pick from the DAM. And here information about our libraries to simplify the implementation about our plugins. The 360 builder is also here available. And here we can generate very easy the code needed for building the 360 plugin. We're going to add as well here the ability to pick a folder from the DAM so that the user can in live see how his 360 view would look like if he has, a certain amount of images in this folder for this product. And we've added here new tab insights to show delivery optimization, alerts, and logs. So I invite you here to go ahead and check a little bit what the alerts are here. For example, slow downloads and so on. We have the validation tool, which is now here, and a finalist service status, which is just an iframe of our status page. Good. So here, these are the 4 modules that you are familiar with, and that are now in one web application. And here we have as well the settings, which have been reorganized to follow account organization project. And then here the 4 modules, so DAM and DMO have settings for now. VisualAI and Portals not yet, but in the future they might be. So as you can see here, we have here the settings per module as well, with corresponding components and roles, so that specific users can only see the settings they're entitled to based on their, what we call now, user role, and not any more levels. Okay, so one last thing is that the home page has been replaced by a portal. So very important here in the portal. You have now a new home page portal. What's important is the slug, not the name. So basically, if there's a portal called home and the home page is here enabled, okay, then you're going to see here the portal as a home page. And here, for example, you can search and boom, go directly in the DAM to find the assets which correspond to this search. And then you have all the capabilities here. For example, this is a dynamic list of my categories with some new capabilities in portals, which I will talk about in more details. But here, this portal that you see can be very, very easily changed by editing here. The home portal with the categories. And here you see the information here. T-shirts, sportswear. This is all coming from the metadata off these assets, which are in this case here in this folder, so please don't touch it. But we have here the title, and we have here a category, and this information is here taken title and category to describe here the asset. And when you click, you're going to get to the right folder. So really, really big improvements here around the home page as well.